Good morning, students. Yesterday we will see the quality function deployment, definitions, themes, history of quality function deployment. Today we will see quality function benefits. How we will benefit to apply quality function deployment in our smallest industry for plant layout, any manufacturing plant. First, reduce the product development time up to 50%. That is time reducing. Then design cycle time sorted by 30 to 50%. Also time saving. Then reducing time to market, startup to engineering cost and reducing by 20 to 60%. Focus is the organization on customer needs and useful for gathering customer requirement. Main aim of quality function deployment: first, time reducing, cost reducing and satisfy the customer requirement for designing the new design of product and time consuming. Other benefit is designing quality improve performance of products, reduce warranty and field service cost, reduce rework, enabling understanding of company competitors and enables concurrent engineering. Then American Supplier Institute's 4-phase approach. First, customer requirement. Second, product characteristic. Third, part characteristic. Then process characteristic and production control. That is American Supply Institute for 4-phase different. The voice of the customers, it represents the requirement of the customers. What is customer need means? It is technique to recover every requirement expressed by the customers and take a continuous decision about the voice of the customers. That means what is customer need and we will solve and improving the quality of product. Then different sources of information for finding out the customer requirement. First source is market survey from customers. Then information from sales team, informative from service team, customer complaints, customer feedback and testing of product in lab. That is the sources of customer requirement. Then data analysis and organization. Data analysis is the information received should be checked for authority, conflicting requirement should be analyzed and resolved. And data organization can be best served by the affinity and interrelationship diagram, analyst and organization. Then what is the problem of quality function deployment? First, if all relation matrices combined into a single deployment, the size of each of the combined relationship mixture to be very large. That is the product and the customer of need. Quality function deployment quantitative method due to ambiguity in the voice of the customer make the answer that customers give the difficult to categorize of demand. It can be difficult to determine the connection between customer demands and technical properties. Quality function deployment is not appropriate for all applications. Then house of the quality. Translate the voice of the customer into design requirement that meet specific target values and matches those against how an organization will meet the requirement. That is the proper house of the quality. Translate customer design, then specific target to meet and those organization will meet the requirement. Then structure of house of quality. Exterior walls, ceiling or second floor, interior walls and roof. Exterior walls we will require the customer requirement. Ceiling means technical description. Internal walls means relationship between customer requirement and technical descriptions. And roof means interrelationship between technical descriptors. Here we will see the house of the quality. that is the example. Here so internal roof, external roof, external walls, roofs and house. From customer requirement, voice of the customer, internal relationship, that means the internal walls, relationship between customer requirement and design requirement. Roof means technical description, then technical requirement means voice of the company, planning in marketing for the priority customer requirement, and company analyze the market potential. And finally we get the targeting, that is external walls, importance, ratings, priorities, technical description. Thank you.